Robin Crystal is located in Donghai County, Jiangsu Province.
This is our sales building. Welcome to Robin Crystal.
I'm Larry, co-founder of Robin Crystal. My family has been producing crystals for 25 years, and in 2015, I started foreign trade with my partner.
We are one of the largest crystal factories producing crystal spheres, tumble stones, carvings, jewelry, and more. To better serve our clients, we have improved our equipment. We imported automatic sphere grinding machines that increase production by 10 times and make much rounder shapes than handmade products. We also support customized designs as per your requirements. Our 3D numerical control equipment makes it possible to custom make everything as long as you provide a design drawing. We usually import 3D model files to the carving machine through a computer. This is our carving workshop. It showcases the machine's carving stones automatically according to the 3D files. We have a massive stock of raw stones that helps us produce 50,000 pieces of carvings per day. Additionally, we also have enough finished crystals, so we can ship your goods within a very short time. Everyone at Robin Crystal is happy and positive to work here. I hope this gives you a better understanding of Robin Crystal.
I, Larry, representing Robin Crystal, offer each client extensive OEM customization. Our company's mission is to assist each client superior crystal resources and expanding their market presence. If you are interested, please don't hesitate to contact us.